It's Suzanne, the Beauty Shaman, and today I'm going to talk to you about City Beauty. They sent me a bunch of products which I'm excited to share with you, including City Lips, which is their top-selling item, a lip gloss. It actually comes in many different colors, but I just have the clear one here, and I love it. It's so beautiful, as you can see, very shiny, and it doesn't spread, which, I mean, hello, that's like huge, right? But they've also sent me a sunblock, a product to help with crepey skin, a body balm, an incredible mask that I love. I'm actually madly in love with the mask. Also a product to help with our jowls, right? To keep everything nice and lifted. So I'm excited to share all of these products with you. I'm going to take all of my makeup off, all my pretty makeup that I spent so much time on, and show you exactly how each one of these products work. Before we get started, please visit my website at thebeautyshaman.com, and also please subscribe so I can continue making great content here for you on YouTube. Let's get going. Okay, so this is me in the raw. We are going to sample some fabulous products from City Beauty today that they sent to me and I'm very excited about. So the first one we're going to start with is the Line Smoothing Hydro Mask. I love to use it after I've done some sort of a skin treatment. So whether you do a facial or maybe you just get out of the shower so that your pores are open, your skin is warm, and then you put this on your face and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. I really love to put on a little classical music. I'm a classical music fan, and let it just kind of seep into your skin. And then I take the excess in the bottom, and I'll show you what I'm talking about, because a lot of times the ingredients will fall to the bottom. Take that with your fingers, put it all over your face, and sleep in it like that. You wake up, your skin's just like a baby's butt. Now it has two mesh attachments here that protect the actual mask. So you want to just peel each one of those away. Oh. Ooh, it's nice and cool. Got your little eyeball things here. You can take this and close your eyes and put this over your eyeballs if you want. Oh, it feels so good. I look a little like an extraterrestrial with this on. All right, I'm going to pull it off. So this has collagen in it, and it helps to plump your skin. It helps minimize fine lines, really hydrate your skin. If you have dry skin, these are so awesome. I think if you do it like once a week, you'll notice your skin is just super succulent afterwards. Succulent, isn't that a great word for skin? All right, next product we're going to look at is the Multi-Action Sculpting Cream. So it comes with this cute little spoon as well, which I just love cute little things like that. Even though we lose them, and you know, I just love them. I think they're so adorable. The effects of using this particular product long term help to tighten the skin on your neck and jawline, helps with firmness, and it also contains biomimetic tripeptide. I'm going to use my little spoon and just massage it everywhere. It feels really lovely. Oh my gosh. You know, we all are looking to kind of plump this up a little bit, right? Because it just kind of does, like on all of us as we age, a little droop. I really love this. I think it works. I've noticed the difference with it. So I think if you're looking for something morning and night that's really going to help to plump your skin around your neck and your jawline, I think this is great. All right, so next we're going to put a little sunblock on. So this is SPF 39, and it's called Skin Perfecting Daily Veil. It is hydrating, and so I'm going to put a little bit on. All right, this contains titanium oxide and zinc oxide. So what that means is you're going to see that white, see how it gets white. So when you originally put it on, it's going to be sort of white on your skin because of the zinc oxide. Now, one point I do want to make about all these products is I've checked on EWG. If you're a fan of EWG, you can put in the product or the ingredient and see if it's toxic. I've done that on all these products, and they are not on the toxic scale. All right, so I'm going to put this on. All right, so this hydrates up to 72 hours, which is really awesome. But it's kind of a jelly consistency, and so it moisturizes and it provides SPF in it, which I love. So it's both, okay? Not just SPF, but I do like it a lot. I feel like it isn't heavy. My big complaint always with SPF is it's too heavy on the skin, and that you put makeup on and it's like you're adding this whole other layer. I don't notice that with this. I think it sets nicely into the skin. You can see the lightness that because of the zinc is going down to not only block the sun, but also to keep my skin moisturized throughout the day. So works. So the next product that I'm excited about, because I think many people have come to me as a professional makeup artist and said, what do I do about my crepey skin? Beauty has put this one out here. This is Invisicrepe Body Balm. So this helps long-term to reduce crepey skin. I really like it, okay? I'm all for this. I think if you can use a non-toxic product that isn't tested on animals that actually does help in the long run to reduce crepiness, then why not give it a shot? All right, so I'm going to open this up, but it's really nice, right? These do have a little fragrance in them, so if you don't like fragrance, you're going to smell a little bit in them. It's not overpowering for sure. And it's nice, right? Like you can see all my age spots and but I love them, okay? I welcome my age spots. It is a really nice moisturizer. And not only that, but it does help the crepey skin to go down, which we love, right? All right, lastly, we're going to talk about one of their top selling products, which I actually love. And since they've sent this to me, I have used it every single day because I'm like, wee, yay. All right, so it's called City Lips. So this contains, and I have two of them here. I have this one, which is in a gloss, and this is one, which is a matte. So they're both, in a stick form, but the City Lips matte puts lipstick on in a matte form without it drying your lips out, which is great. I actually was very suspicious because every, thing that does matte tends to be very drying, and this is not, so that's really awesome. Does last a long time, does stay on really well because I'm a lip eater, if you're like that. And this one is the gloss. This contains hyaluronic acid, so helps with plump. Both contain a really nice flavor to them. So I really like that. I prefer that. I think for me, it's really fun. So I'll put the gloss on here so you can have a look at it. It's just very, very glossy. I love that. And it feels nice on my lips and it doesn't like spread right in fine lines around my mouth, which I'm always very, it's just it's not a good look. Like, ugh. All right, this one, the matte, comes in many different colors, as does the gloss. So you can go on and have a look at that on their website. They have lots of great choices and options there. All right, ladies, I hope you found this helpful. Please do check out citybeauty.com for many more of their fine products. And please write down below. I always love to hear from you. Any comments, suggestions, anything like that is always welcome. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.